Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add a PDF file to your Squarespace webpage. So let's get right into it. Now, there are two different ways in which you can do this. First, we're going to go into products and services, and this is if you're planning on selling your PDFs. You can also set the price to 0, but I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to go into products, and then we're going to click add a product. We're going to click download, and that's going to enter the product page. This is where we'll set up the product. We'll just name this PDF. This is a PDF file, and that's going to be it. Now, for images, you can set up an image if you want to. You don't need to. You can just upload a file, and here you can select a PDF. I'll just select a random image that I have. Once that's processed, you can set the price to 0 of whatever currency you're using. I'll just keep it at 0. You can add categories, tags, selling tools, marketing, SEO, and checkout. But for now, that's pretty much it. We're going to go ahead and click publish, and that's going to publish our product as a download. And we have this free PDF which people can download. That is one way you can do this. Another way is to go into edit, and we're going to add a block, and as you can see, you can embed very different types of blocks. You can add a content link and link your PDF like that, or you can add some sort of file. For example, if we go ahead and we go up here, you can add the product if you've added it as a digital product as well, but you can add a button which you can then move here, and we're going to click edit, and we're going to rename it into click here to download, and we're going to go ahead and attach a link, and over here into the URL you should enter the URL if you've uploaded it to another service, or you can click file and then you can upload whichever file you want. For example, this one. And now we've uploaded an image. Just pretend this is a PDF file. You can open it in a new tab, or you can open it in the same tab, and then whenever it opens in a new tab, people will be able to download it. And that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.